So Chris, my first question for you is, can you just tell the users a bit about machine learning and AI? First of all, how they're different, and then kind of where they are today.
Gotcha. Okay. So AI is a big, broad umbrella term. It basically means getting computers to do things that humans do with our intelligence naturally. So you can see me, and if you're watching this, you can see what's going on. You're using vision. If you're hearing the words I'm saying and it doesn't sound just like noise, then you're using natural language processing. We do these things, we learn these things instinctively and through our own training as we grow up. But we're trying to teach computers to do those things. Now, within that umbrella, under that umbrella, the foundation of today's AI and machine learning is all statistics. It's all math, right? So if you didn't like math, sorry. The good news is software is helping with a lot of that. So statistics and probability are really the heart of artificial intelligence. With those individual statistical techniques, we build them into what are called algorithms, repeatable processes. Everybody uses algorithms all day long, right? When you get dressed in the morning, you probably have a sequence of things that you do every day that is predictable, right? And so that's the algorithm. Where you get into the interesting territory is now when you give computers these algorithms and you give them data and you say, hey, you decide what algorithms to use to make the data reach a conclusion of some kind. And that's what we call machine learning, where the computer now, instead of we write the software and the computer processes the data, now we provide the data and the computer writes its own software and then comes out with an outcome. Now, if you were to take machine learning, that's a layer of a pancake, if you will, a set of algorithms, a process, and you were to start stacking them on top of each other like Lego blocks where the data moves from one block to the next, that's what's called deep learning. It's called deep because it can be hundreds of layers deep. That gives computers much closer to either human level or beyond human level capabilities. So when we're talking about AI, particularly in terms of marketing and search and things like that, we're talking about computers being able to think like humans, create outcomes that humans want, and optimize for those outcomes. And that, a lot of what we're going to be talking about today deals with how that impacts things like search.
Yeah, no, absolutely. One of my favorite examples is when Google's DeepMind subsidiary cracked the code on the game of Go and taught it to beat the world champion in the game of Go. So that was an intense machine learning exercise right there.
Absolutely.